Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to solve question number 4, paper 51, November 2022. In a large population, the systolic blood pressure SBP of adults is normally distributed with mean 1 to 5.4, standard 18.6. Find the probability that SBP of randomly chosen adults is less than 132. The probability of X less than 132. Now X is normal distribution followed by mu and variance. In standard form, mu will be 0 and variance will be 1. If it is not in standard form like this case, you have to standardize it. How? It's X minus mu over standard. So let's now start to standardize it. Will be X minus 125.4 divided by standard, which is 18.6, is less than 132 minus 125.4 divided by standard, which is 18.6. So the probability of Z less than 132 minus 1254, 132 minus 125.4, all divided by 18.6. So the answer, 132 minus 125.4 divided by 18.6. So the answer will be 0.3548. So 3 significant figure will be 0.354. How to get your answer from the table? I will show you the solution table now. We'll search for 0.355. 0.355. 0.355 will write 0.6368 and 0.009. Then we'll add to get your answer will be 0.36638. So you can write your answer 0.369. 0.369. 0.369 is the final answer for part A. The SBP of 12-year-old children in the same population is normally distributed with mean 117. Of these children, 0.88% have SBP more than 108. The probability of X more than 108 is equal to 0.88. Standardized by X minus mu over standard. So the probability of X minus 117 over standard is more than 108 minus 117 over standard. So the probability of Z more than 108 minus 117 is -9 over standard is equal to 0.88. Now how to calculate the standard? Let's say this value now is K. So the probability of Z more than K is equal to 0.88. K positive or negative? K have to be negative because of what? Of the normal distribution curve. If write K negative side, it's more than, so the value more than 0.5, so it's right now K is negative. But if we switch it now and write it in positive side, will be same area. I will write here like K, so same. So directly from the table now, the probability of Z less than positive value K is equal 0.88. Now we'll search for from the right side to the left side for 0.88. For 0.88, 0.8800. Start to search for 0.88, 0.7, 0. Now it's 10 more. Back to this value, it's 0.8790. So it's 1.1, 1.17, 1.17. Then we need to add 10 more. So the answer will be 5. So 1.175. 1.175. K is 1.175, but don't forget it's negative. So when you write -9 over standard is equal negative 1.175, cancel negative with negative, cross multiplication and solve the equation. You will get a standard is 9 divided by 1.175. So 9 divided by 1.175. So the answer will be 7.65957. Rounded, 3 significant figure will be 7.66. So the final answer. Now let's look at part 3C. 3 adults are chosen randomly from this solution. Find the probability that each of the 3 adults within 1.5 standard deviation of the mean. Each. So you have to get the probability, and we have 3, so the answer will be P power 3. But how to get the probability? It's written within 1.5 standard deviation of the mean. This value between 1.5 standard, 1.5 standard, 1.5 standard, within the mean means mu minus and q plus. Mu minus this value, 1.5 standard, and mu plus this value. This is the range of the value. This answer is not in standard form. How to standardize it? X more than, less than. To standardize, it's x minus mu over standard. So now we'll start to write mu minus 1.5 standard minus mu over standard. This also mu plus 1.5 standard minus mu over standard. If you simplify this value, mu minus mu, 0. Standard cancel with the standard, so negative 1.5. X less than minus plus mu 1.5. So directly you can write your answer probability of X if it is written within 1.5 standard from the mean, negative 1.5 and positive 1.5. How to calculate the probability of this part? If you look at the curve from negative 1.5 to positive 1.5, first part, this one is probability of X less than 1.5, then minus 0.5. And this one also will be same, probability of X less than 1.5, minus 0.5. So to get your answer, double of this part, probability of X less than 1.5, double it, then minus 0.5, and the minus 0.5 will be minus 1. Now, we'll try to get the probability of this part from the table and double it. 1.5. Now, look at the table. It's 1.5. 1.5. This value, 0.9332. 0.9. Double it. 2 times 0.9332. Minus 1. When you calculate this part, you will get it 0.8664. So now to get the probability of each will be within 1.5 standard from the mean. So 0.8664 times 0.6884 times 0.6884, or you can take one of them, 0.8664 all to the power of 3. Their permutation will be same. If you calculate this value, you will get your answer 0.650. Your answer 3 significant figure will be 0.650. Thank you.